There's even kid rides up here at HillBilly Hills Farm, family farm. Yeah. United States, buddy. Got the big old flag in the back. Bill's backing up with the golf cart. That's right. Every farm needs a golf cart, right?
Everybody needs a golf cart.
Yeah, that's what I say all the time.
Everybody needs a station on too.
Yeah.
You know,
Oh, heck yeah. Oh, fuck. We're recording right now, Bill, just so you know. Aye, that was my neck. All right, so those are fake ducks or real ducks?
they're fake.
Yeah, that's what I thought.
They're cheaper than anything else on the farm. They don't eat nothing.
Yeah, this is crazy. I knew there was a reason I wanted to stop in here today. Whoa, turkeys? Is that a white turkey?
Turkeys are inside the ducks on the outside.
Ah, heck yeah. What? We're not going in there, are we?
Yeah.
All right. Whatever floats your boat, Bill. Oh, you're trying to show me some potential cows that.
I want to take pictures out there. Take pictures of buffalo.
Yeah. Hey, thank you. OMG, I didn't get that, but that was nice. You got the ducks, geese. And so that's a water buffalo? Yeah. We're on the golf cart, guys. So you'll have to, whoa, look at all them. Oh, heck yeah. How long does the battery last in this thing?
It's dead.
Huh?
It's dead.
I know. Thank you, Bill. Hey, how are you? What's his name?
I don't know.
Water Buffalo. WB. Oh, you work at the WB. Look at all these guys. The young ones are the.
There's Princess, the one walking around there.
Oh, with the horns.
Yes, pretty horns.
Pretty horns. Princess. Hello. Hello, Princess. Oh yeah, just let it go. Whatever you gotta do, man. This is your house, correct? All right. You just, when did you give them hay?
Yes, twice a week.
Twice a week. Yeah. So what is the uses for? Well, no, I don't want to go into that. Never mind.
I raise them for the meat.
Raise them for the meat.
Raise them and milk them, and make good milk for buffalo too.
All right. Can you guys? This one is super close. Hey, what's up, buddy?
They get right up to you, don't they? Right,
now that one's not that old, right? Because his horns aren't that long.
Yeah, he'll be meat in July.
Oh, that's the good time to.
Yeah, when they're almost 2 years old.
Almost 2, okay. And Princess.
Princess was one of the first ones I got about 10 years ago.
What do you use her for?
to make babies.
Oh, my fault. That was obvious, right?
Yes, you wanna
This is crazy.
the moms.
Yo, so I've been on safaris, but yeah, this is nice. Yo, look at all the poop we're bouncing on.
Yep.
Jiminy flipper, that cow is big.
That's a cow.
That white one is humongous.
It's got a big bull.
Oh, that's the bull. My fault, buddy. He's like, I ain't no girl. Oh, snap. Let me zoom in on that. Hey, so
He weighs about 2,000 pounds.
2,000 pounds. Holy bejesus. You have to give him haircuts, or is his fur always that short?
It's always that short. He don't like to mess with her that much. She's not mean, but he don't like getting his hair brushed too much.
Okay. Have you ever tried to dodge him like landmines? The poop?
Don't matter to
Man. So what I was saying is I've been on safaris, or I've been on a safari, and this is sort of like a safari, but in America, right? That's a youngin', huh?
This guy was born in December.
Oh, it's a guy. He was born in December.
Yeah, it's a guy. That's a girl.
Oh,
That's a little heifer.
little heifer. You better watch your mouth, Bill.
And there are buffalo over there.
Right. What's that over there?
Piece of pipe.
Oh, but okay.
Watch where I go with this stuff.
Right.
This is exactly the golf course.
Material, right? So what do you usually drive back here in these bumpy fields?
Sorry?
What do you usually drive back here in these bumpy fields?
Oh, four-wheeler.
Four-wheeler, okay.
Oh, this thing here was not real muddy.
Yeah.
I don't want to ride on the four-wheeler with you. I don't have a side-by-side.
Oh my goodness. Hello. Yo, my camera's on all the way out, so we're up on this. Oh, look at the water buffalo trying to come over. Help. So that's true. They stay in their little cliques or groups of each other.
Yeah, more or less. They don't care. These are pretty friendly.
Yeah, okay.
Some fields you can't, people's fields you can't ride out there, I guess, and then someone up to you let you ride right by them.
Right.
We get pretty much a punch.
Yeah, hit the tracks again. That'll help. Goodbye. And you said those are fake ducks. Decoys. Oh, to attract more ducks, or
Yeah,
oh,